Hey guys, today I'm upgrading my Flowerhorn tank with a top filter because as you can see, my Flowerhorn has been hiding at the back of the tank right next to the air stone, so I think the water quality has not been really great. As you can see, the tank is very dirty, so we're gonna do a water change, then set up the top filter. So hope you enjoy watching me do this. So this is the filter that I'm going to be using. It cost me 200 for the filter and 150 for the shipping, so around 350 in total. So what you get is the filter box and couple hoses and fittings for the hoses and the pump itself. So for the filter media, it's pumice stone and filter wool. Those are the only two I got. So let's go on with the water change. Taken out 50% of the water, around 50%. So now we're going to use that collected water for our media filter that'll promote the bacterial growth. So I've already rinsed the pumice stone beforehand to make sure that at most of the dirt and dust is taken out. So I'm just going to let them soak up in the wastewater to get all of that bacteria up in there. So we're just gonna let it soak up for a little bit. Also rinsing the filter wool. So now we're going to set up the filter. So we're going to add wool at the bottom layer, add that little screen divider, and add the stone next. Flattening it, I'm trying to flatten it a little bit evenly. So we get that. stones I got from a river just for the aesthetic, I guess, that with the tank and a little bit of filtration along the way with the blocky rolls. It's working, giving us these bubbles. And also for the top filter, pretty close. I think I have to lower the water level, but I think I'm just gonna keep it like that. I think our guy here is excited with what we've done with this tank. He's looking around, very, very curious to what it will be. So yeah, we're gonna be putting him now in the tank. See how he acclimates. Seems a lot more active from the previous, where it was just hiding at the back. So this is good. It's moving around, exploring, has a lot of energy. This is nice. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe and click on the notification bell to get more updates on my channel. Also, if you guys are interested in buying the top filter, I'll put the link in the description below. And once again, thanks for watching.